Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add sub-items to items and tasks in your Notion databases. So let us show you how to do it and dive right into it. So head over to your workspace on Notion, access your database. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. So here in your database, guys, you will see these cells to the left for example, resembling tasks like task 1, task 2, or item 1, item 2, and so on and so forth. So let me go, for example, with cell number 3 here and convert it into task 3. So let me give it a name. And after that, press enter. And to add a sub-item or subtask, let's assume, for example, your task consists of several steps or subtasks. You may do that by simply hovering mouse over the left hand of the cell and click into that arrow to the right icon. That is going to open up a sub-item or subtask below. So click into it and add your first subtask or sub-item. So I don't know, I'm not being creative right now, so let me name it subtask 1, press enter, and do the same with the next subtask, subtask 2, or step 2 of the process, and so on and so forth. So that's how you add subtasks and sub-items to your Notion databases. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.